In this video, we are going to discuss about Selenium automation scripting language. So, what is Selenium? Selenium is an open source tool that is used for test automation. So, it helps to testers to automate web-based applications more efficiently. So, here we have some advantages of Selenium. It has the capabilities to execute the scripts across different browsers, means in IE and Chrome and Mozilla, we can execute across different browsers. So we can execute scripts on various operating systems also, like Mac operating system and Windows, Linux, Unix. We can execute in every operating systems. So we can execute scripts in mobile also. For mobile device also, it will support. So this is Selenium suite. Selenium suite contains Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Remote Controller. So Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE means Selenium Integrated Development Environment. It is a Firefox plugin. So testers can use this to record the scripts, whatever they are doing the actions, they will record by using this Selenium IDE. But this Selenium IDE works for only standalone applications. It will not work for dynamic web applications. Why it not work for dynamic applications means, suppose I am going to order a pen in Flipkart. See, today the price of pen is 10 rupees. So I am recording that script ordering a in Flipkart. So tomorrow the price of pen may change. So if I execute the same script tomorrow, it won't work because the price of pen got changed. So IDE works only for standalone web applications. Selenium Remote Controller. Selenium Remote Controller is used to create more complex tests. Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver, it sends the commands directly to the browser and retrieves result. Selenium WebDriver provides two methods. One is find element and one more is find elements. Find element. If element is there, by using this, we can find the element. It will return a web element object. If no elements are found, then it throw an exception like no element found exception. So find elements. If elements are there, see, I want to take the all elements under a drop down. That time I can use find elements method. It will return a list of web elements matching the search criteria. If no elements under the drop down, it will return a empty list. Here we have some locators to find out the elements in a form. So by ID we can find the element. Here is the syntax. Driver dot find element by ID. So we can give that element ID here. By name we can find out also. Driver dot find element by ID. Name tag also we can give here. If we give the name of that element, then it can find and perform the action. We can give class name also. See, driver dot find element by class name. Class name also we can give here. Tag name also we can give. See, if some of the elements have anchor tag, driver dot find element by tag name A. If we give anchor tag as A, it will find out the first occurrence of anchor tag. It will do perform on that operations. Link text. See, suppose we have a submit button. So driver dot find element by link text. If we give submit here, no, it will find out that button. Partial link test. Partial link test means here driver dot find element by partial link test. See, here we can give sub instead of submit. Link test means full text we have to give. Partial link test means only partial text we have to give here. CSS. Here we have to give CSS name of that element. Path. So driver dot find element by XPath. We have to give a XPath of that element. So through this XPath, it will find out that element and it will execute that. So these are the basics of Selenium. In next video, we'll discuss in code level.